Hi everyone, it's Sylvia. How is everyone doing today? So today, guys, we're going to do an unboxing from Oraloa. And it's huge. I basically saw the painting and I said, oh, it's beautiful. And I ordered it, and then when it arrived, I was like, OMG, what is this? Look how big this box is, guys. It's huge. So I don't even know what's going to fit here, but we'll see. Okay. So as you can see, so it comes in this very pretty box. It's in French and Spanish. It says Pintura con Diamantes, Oraloa. And then of course it has a picture in the back. But I don't want to show it to you to surprise you. It says an all-inclusive premium kit. All right, so let's open this baby up. All right, see if I can get it open is the question. This happens when you have no fingernails. I just cut them. Well, I just trimmed them. All right, let's see. Oh my gosh, huge, guys. Okay. So this is the sticker that it comes with. This is the canvas. It is huge. All right, so here it is, guys. Look how beautiful she is. It's called Red Hummingbirds by Elena Dudina. It's 85 centimeters by 71 centimeters, which is 33.46 inches by 27.95 inches. Wow. Okay, and then it says, let your creativity sparkle. And this got the pre-cut stickers. Pretty big too, which I like. See that? So you can put these in the containers. And it looks like it's got 50 colors. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 ABs. Wow. Love it. All right. So what I know about Oraloa is that, well, if I can find where do I open this? Okay, it's upside down. That the artwork is licensed artwork, which is awesome. Okay, and this is considered a full canvas. And it comes, as you can see, in a nice plastic protected while it's traveling. So let's put that over there for now, because we're going to need that later on. And the canvas is 100% recyclable, which is awesome. And it's a heavy duty cotton. It's soft, but you could feel it's, you know, it's not as soft as others, but it's nice. All right, so let's see, where are the drills? Where are the drills? Let's see what else we have in here. Those are the instructions. All right, so here are the instructions. Welcome to the Oraloa diamond painting craft. So you have step by step, which is pretty cool. I like this. It's nice. It says instructions for care for the fabric. And then in the back, it's in French. All right. So you have it in English and French. Let's put that aside. And then look at the drills. OMG, guys. This is a lot. But I love these bags. These are those resealable bags. So just in case you don't have the containers with you, you could use these. You could just basically leave them in here. Look at all the colors. Mamma mia. Look at this. Yeah. Okay, so let's put this aside. All right, let's bring out the beautiful canvas. Okay, so let's see. Since it's so big, let's start from the bottom. So in the bottom, you have a little logo. Well, you can't see it. Let me move this over here. It's like a little logo over here. And then over here it tells you the name of the artist, Elena Dudina. Okay. And then again, 85 by 71 centimeters, 33.46 by 27.95 inches. And then over here on the right-hand side, you have the legend. Oh, here's the toolkit. I totally forgot about the toolkit. So let's just very quickly, sorry about that. I totally forgot about the toolkit. I don't know, guys. I forget everything. So let's see very quickly what we have in the toolkit, if I can get it out. Oh, mamma mia. Come on, cooperate. Okay, here we go. Okay, so we have a diamond pen, I believe this is a 2-placer, and I think this is a 7-placer. So you can pick up 7 drills at a time, and here you can pick up 2. And then of course you have the single placer. It comes with a very sharp tweezers. You have some blue wax. And of course this is for the pen. This is called a comfort grip. It's supposed to go in here. Let's see if I can get it in. All right, I did. See, it's supposed to help with your hands for comfort. And of course this is the tray. All right, the basic the basic toolkit. Let's put this aside for now. All right, let's go back to the painting. Sorry. All right, so yeah, let's open this baby. Oh, what's this here? I might need the picture. I think that's her, whatever she's wearing, her gown. And then she has beautiful red hair. Oh my gosh. Did I tell you guys that I love red hair? Yeah. Okay, here, oh, Mamma mia, I'm gonna have to move it this way. Here you have the legend, okay, on the bottom right hand side. And I don't know if there's another one up here. Is there another one up here? Yep, there is. Let me just roll it this way. Okay, well, let's see. Let's see if I can unroll it and then roll it so we can flatten it out a little bit. It has been in the box. Let's see if I can roll it. Okay. Let's see. Voila. Oh, mamma mia. Wow. That's gorgeous, guys. Okay, so here's the legend on the left-hand side on the top. Let's push this back. Okay, and it tells you it has 50 colors, right? And then in the middle, those are the symbols, and the symbols are what you find in the painting. And then of course, this is the DMC code. And by looking at this, like I mentioned before, it says 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ABs. So it looks like it has 1 through 8, and then it's got alphabet, and then of course got little star, other symbols. Okay, so let's look at this beauty. Look at how gorgeous she is, guys. She has beautiful red hair. She has beautiful big eyes. I believe they're green. She's just gorgeous. And then she has this beautiful flower up here on her head. Can you see that? And then there's one hummingbird here. And then there's another hummingbird over here. Okay, pecking at the flower. And then there's another, she's got 3 hummingbirds. So there's another hummingbird right down here, if I can, right here. That's another hummingbird. Now this is supposed to be her hand. In the picture you can see her hand, but I cannot see it, to tell you the truth. I cannot see it in the painting. So yeah, let's see what happens when you fill in the drills. Hopefully you can see the hand better, because this is white. Whatever she's wearing is white. It's sort of blending with her hand. Okay, I think I see it now. So here you have the finger, and it's like this. So I guess after you put the drills, you probably can see it better. She's wearing a beautiful, I don't know if it's like a nightgown or lingerie. I have no idea what she's wearing, but it's really pretty. And then it looks like she's outdoors. Huh. She looks like she's outdoors, because you can see back here, the background, it's outside. So it looks like there's some light out here, but then this may be like a tree. I have no idea. Back here, let me move this over here. See back here? It's like a tree back here, or a shadow, or it could be she's inside, and then the window, it's a curvy window. See the curve right here? I don't know. It looks beautiful. It's very, very clear. Let me bring it up. You see that? So let me bring it up so you can see. There goes the flower. She has beautiful big eyes. There goes her beautiful green eyes, her nose. Not easy because this is big. Her mouth. Okay, that's better. Can you see that? Look at her face. It's gorgeous. Her beautiful red hair. I love, love, love red hair. And there goes. Hold on, let me fold this. And there goes the other hummingbird. Okay. So let's roll it back and let's just very quickly, let's see. I'm not gonna say the names of the colors, but I guess we can open this up a little. Let's see. And just look at some of the colors if I can get it open. And this is a round. Did I did mention that? Yeah. It's a round diamonds. Wow. We are going to take out the ABs, which means Aurora Borealis. It's just a drill with an extra shine, so we can figure out where they go there. So we have 2 packets of the white one. Let's see, where are the ABs? So you have 49 is an AB, so that's a pink one. 50 is an AB. 47 is an AB. It's yellow. And then 46 and 45. 46 and 45. Those are all ABs. Okay. So let's see. Very pretty colors. See? Got browns. Got lots of pinks in the pink family. Grays. Beige. Greens. Coral. Salmon. Yeah. Okay, so very beautiful. Maybe you can see them better that way. You have purples in there, green, sage. Okay, so let's look at, bring back the painting. So we have, what do you say, 5? So let's see. So we got 2 packets of the white one, so we don't need that one right now. Let's put that on the side. Okay, so these are the 5 ABs. So let's bring back the painting and let's see where they belong. I'm assuming that the white is for her outfit. Or maybe it's like a white robe. Who knows? Okay, let's see. I'm gonna have to roll her down here. Okay, trying to remove as much glare. Okay. All right, 45. Let's see. It is the symbol that has an arrow pointing to the left. All right, and it is pink. So I don't see any on the hummingbird. Could it be on her hair? Oh, mamma mia. Let's see. Is it on this hummingbird? No? Huh. Aha! It's on her lips. Okay. So her lips are going to be very sparkly. Oh, and then of course it's scattered. I see it scattered on her hair. She's got pink here. AB there, here, some here, some here. Yep, it's all over her hair, which is nice. Okay, and this one is also pink. And this one's 46. And this is, oh, it's like an S. I can't see. Let me see if I can see this one better. 46. Yeah, it's like an S but backwards. Let's see. Let's see. Is it on her hair? The hummingbird? Maybe the hummingbird. Oh yeah, I see it on the hummingbird. On this, I see some here on the hummingbird's head. Right here. And then you have some on this hummingbird. Where is it? I just saw it. Where is it? Right here. Also on the hummingbird's head. And we have some on her hair. No, it looks like it's on the hummingbirds because it's also on this hummingbird on their head. Okay? All right, so we did those 2. And then this is yellow and 47. Okay, let's see. I can't describe it, but I can. Okay, let's see. No, it's not there. It's not on the bird. I wonder if it's on the flower. On the flower. Is it on the flower? Where are you? Hummingbird. Okay, I see it. It's on this hummingbird. It's on his belly. Right here. Right there, right there, right there. It's going to be very little because it's on this hummingbird too. Right there. And is it on her hair? Nope. Okay. So as you can see, it's very little. All right, so we did those 3. And 49. 49 is a dot, and it's pink. So that should be easier, right? The dot. Is it on her hair? Is it on her face? Aha, it is. It's on her cheeks. So it's like blush on her cheeks. She's got some coming down on her neck. Over here, outlining her mouth, outlining her nose. So it's on her face. She has some up here, around her hairline. And like I said, down here, on her chest. Yep. Okay. So that's nice because it's sort of outlining her, you know. And then this one is 50. And this one is basically an O. Letter O. Capital letter O. And that is, I just saw it. Okay, you have some up here on the flower. And some over here. Out here. There's lots of O's there. And of course on her, I was going to say chest, but I could see the line here. So this is basically on her outfit. All these are O's on her outfit. Wow. It's like a lacy outfit. So I don't know if it's lingerie or a robe, but it's very pretty. Okay. So that's about it, guys. I hope you love her as much as I do. She is a biggie, but look at how gorgeous she is. So I hope you guys have a wonderful, wonderful rest of the week. Thank you and bye-bye. Take it easy.